In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a gift card on Apple Pay. This process is straightforward and will help you make purchases with ease. Let's get started. First, open the app or website that accepts Apple Pay. This step is crucial as not all platforms support this payment method. Make sure you've chosen a retailer or service that lets you pay this way. You'll know Apple Pay is supported if you see its logo or mention during checkout. This ensures a seamless transaction and avoids any payment hiccups. Once you're on the app or website, go ahead and tap Apple Pay at the checkout. This action initiates the payment process, setting everything into motion for you. It's like telling the system you're ready to pay and you want to use Apple Pay. This step is important because it triggers the payment interface, making it easy to proceed with your purchase. After tapping Apple Pay, follow the prompt to review the payment details. This step is crucial as it allows you to ensure everything is correct before finalizing the payment. Check the total amount, the payment source, and any discounts or taxes applied. Taking a moment to review these details can save you from potential errors or surprises later. It's a good practice to double-check this information for peace of mind. At this point, Apple may use your Apple account balance first for eligible Apple purchases. This is an important feature to be aware of. If you have a balance in your Apple account, it will automatically be used for purchases, if applicable. This can be a helpful way to manage your funds and make sure you're using any available balance efficiently. Finally, the payment is completed. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your transaction was successful. This confirmation is your assurance that everything went through smoothly. It's always satisfying to see this step, as it means you're all set with your purchase. With that ready, you now know how to pay using a gift card on Apple Pay. Remember, having your Apple account balance checked first is a smart way to manage your finances. It makes sure that any unused funds are applied before charging other payment methods. This can be particularly handy if you frequently receive gift cards or credits. As we wrap up, keep in mind that using Apple Pay is not only convenient but also secure. Apple Pay uses advanced security features to protect your payment details. This offers you peace of mind whenever you make a purchase. It's one of the reasons many people prefer using it for online and in-app transactions. In conclusion, paying with a gift card through Apple Pay is a seamless experience. By following these steps, you ensure a quick and secure checkout. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your future purchases smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching and happy shopping with Apple Pay.